Maybe just a little bump.
Left 4 Dead, yo. The way them bitches get all cranial when you cap them in the head, it's like, booyah!
No, man. Resident Evil 4 takes it by a long shot.
Please, brother, you front.
No, man, seriously. That chick, the one you gotta rescue, she's smoking, bro. And then you're like the last undead dude on Earth, so how can you not be dipping into that? Talk about inspiring a brother to kick some zombie ass.
Trying to eat your brain, bro. A dude don't need no more motivation.
Fair point, I guess. Okay. Call of Duty, World at War, zombie mode. Now that's the bomb, man. Think on it, bro. They're not just zombies. They're Nazi zombies.
Nazi zombies.
Yeah, man. SS Waffen Troopers, too, which are like the baddest ass Nazis of the whole Nazi family.
Zombies are dead, man. What difference does it make what their job was when they was living?
Dude, you are so historically retarded. Nazi zombies don't want to eat you just because they're craving the protein. They do it because they hate Americans, man. Talibans, they're the Talibans of the zombie world.
Played the game, bro. They ain't exactly fleet of foot.
No.
I'm saying, where's the challenge? At least the zombies in Left 4 Dead clock a respectable 40. You gotta lead them and shit.
Dude, that's because they're not even zombies. They're just infected. They got like this rage virus, amps them up like they've been smoking the swag. Apples and oranges, bro. Totally unfair to compare the two.
Yo, Jesse, where do you come out on all this?
Agree, totally.
Did that just happen?